How to generate traffic using viral reports. Essentially, viral reports are PDF reports created specifically by you for the people in your target market in order for them to be passed along to others. Your viral report must be interesting, entertaining in some way, or have a spark in order to be well received by the public and therefore bring traffic to your site or blog. The report is usually free of charge, generally acting as a lead-in to your paid services or other products. Viral reports are part of viral marketing, which is one of the top ways to market your business, whether it's in person or online. The first thing to do before launching a viral report is to research your market in order to find a good subject. Finding a good idea that will spread like a virus can be done by visiting online forums, blogs, and other social websites. You have to write something people are highly interested in order to gain tons of traffic to your site using the viral reports. The next step is to create the actual viral report with your affiliate link placed in multiple places within the article. A good tip is to include a statement within this article, explaining to users that this information can be passed along to whomever they choose. The next step is to ensure that the viral report gets into the hands of certain people who will definitely redistribute it. One of the best ways to distribute your viral report is to create a buzz on forums, discussing the experiences you had related to the topic you've covered in the report. And finally, one of the best ideas of how to generate traffic using viral reports is to avoid including long and flowery language in your reports, because people prefer a concise and well-written report.